This is live. Thank you. Waiting on Jeremy and Cody and Daniel to get across the line. Let's see. Daniel should be coming across right now. Starting his qualifying run. Will help. Thank you. Everybody is qualifying. And Mark up in the middle. In the lead, followed by Peyton, Daniel, Jeremy, Jacob, Brett, and Cody. Going upside down. Marshall's getting rid of Marshall up on the first straightaway. They're clear. Order right now with 3 minutes and 20 seconds left is Javier, Peyton, Brett, Daniel, Jeremy, Jacob, and Cody. Looks like Jeremy's bringing it in. Need a little Marshall help. Oh, he's got it. Looks like one going off the backside. Got about 2 minutes and 40 left. Order right now, Javier, Daniel, Brett, Peyton, Jacob, Jeremy, Cody. Marshall help at the start finish line. The Marshall help at the entrance to the Nitro stand. All right, thank you, Marshall. Need a little more Marshall help. Our leader's upside down. That's Javier Caballero on his lid. Marshall's got him going again. Got a minute and 50 left in this race. Marshall help at the start-finish line. Watch it after the start-finish line. All right, it's clear. A minute and 20 left. The order is Javier, Daniel, Brett, Peyton, Jacob, Cody, Jeremy. Daniel Myers is now taking over the lead. His last lap, a 28.7. On the clock, Javier Caballero has taken over the lead again from Daniel Myers. It's back and forth between these guys. Right now it's Javier and Daniel, followed by Brett, Peyton, Jacob, Cody, Jeremy. 3 seconds left. Your little Marshall help. Brett Perry, you're done. Everybody keep going. Brett is the only one done. Javier, you're done. Everybody keep going. Javier and Brett are the only ones done.
Jacob Reed, you are done. Peyton Roberts, you are done.
Still waiting on Daniel Myers and Cody Summers.
Daniel Myers, you are done.
Still waiting on that white buggy coming down the back straightaway. He is still qualifying, I think. Somebody go help him. Little Marshall help. He is trying to get back on the track.
That was crazy.
I think that's